Hi! In front of me is OPPO A15s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this smartphone. Firstly, access device settings. Now choose Home Screen and Wallpaper, tap on Home Screen mode, scroll down and choose Simple One. After that, select Apply and choose Switch in the pop-up. As you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to go back, you can always do that by tapping on settings, choosing home screen and wallpaper again, tapping on home screen mode and select one of those. I will go through, so I have to tap on it, choose apply and tap on switch. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!